Hello guys, welcome back to another Scary Cat video back on the channel. Today we are talking about the update, exclusive, all of that stuff. If you want to get more information, have all notifications on, and just like this video. So we will talk about it. I will see you when I clap. Oh, what the heck? So, what he... So we're here now. Now let's go and talk about updates. We're talking about how much updates does it do a year? It does 12. It updates every month. But as a beta tester, we get early access. So I will make videos about early access. But tying up the last owner to early access link. He said no, only very tiny updates, like not big up. Like if it's not small, he said it's smallest one, but he was do something with it. The second thing we're talking about is the owner. Who's the owner? It's the same exact thing. It's the same name as the game. It's called Cat Scary VR. And it's also releasing on October 27th. So I go there, and I got a community post. This is to let you know. I am recording this on one of the beta testers. So not the owner of the game. People like text and chat, oh, you're the owner of the game. Why? You're the owner of the game. Like, no, I'm not. So, this is an account. He joined 7 years ago, and he was popular back in. Then he lost subs because he wasn't recording. So, yeah. So now the thing we're talking about is why is the game getting made? The main topic of the game is all about cats, horror, and that's it. And he said it's a big scary fan game. I forget it. He said it's a big scary fan game. I don't know. He didn't tell me yet, so we just have to wait on that response. Like, kinda like easy, lemon squeezy, whatever. So there's over 20 beta testers and 20 staff. No, modders, yeah. No mods, like excuse me, sorry. They use the long form video stuff and like so we'll probably edit this, so we'll probably like do something about it. So yeah, so that's it. Posting Animal Company content. It's just because it's like good. It's like for now, when the game releases. What the heck? Sorry, so that's the hang of the update. That's all the update you need to know. And we do not show big update leaks. We only do small. It's just because the owner privacy thing. The owner doesn't want big updates to leak. I will be like making videos with the owner, all that stuff. I was the actual one who made the channel. I didn't post it because one of my friends told me post on this date, so it's my first day recording, and I already got 12 subs. Like, we need more than that. Like, seriously, if you want to help this sub, because if we get 10k subs, no 1k subs, I get a creator. You know that thing? So if you reach 1k, you can get picked and get the creator program. Get it? I got my own custom hat. It's American flag. It says staff, and I'm getting my own hammer. It says I'm getting a hammer. It says USA 2016 and it's American. Again, look at my username. It says USA. That's why we appreciate the USA. Accessory. Everybody should. So, more information is there's 12 updates a year. Like, if the first anniversary, they're doing the OG pack. And the first day the game reaches, they're getting the first day pack you can get if you're the first the first player to join. It's actually very rare to get that. I have to just hurry up, get in the game, all that stuff. It's actually pretty true. Like, this game is all about cats and horror. The main part about this game, horror. And I like horror because Animal Company is horror, so I play it. It's like, I hate G-Tag. G-Tag sucks. So, yeah. Like, what is the best part about the game is cats. I love cats. I asked, he made it. Cat models, amazing. My hat, amazing. All of that stuff. So, bye. See you in the next video. Before we go, sub, like, and do you like the new Meta Horizon update? This new. Bye.